Yeah, students. Today, first question is, which is strongest Lewis acid? Among the given options, which is strongest Lewis acid? The way of the finding answer is based on vacant orbital character from the boron halides BF3, BCl3, BBr3, Bi3. BF3, BCl3, BBr3, Bi3. All these central atom, in all these molecules, central atom contain vacant orbital and all are acts as Lewis acids by accepting electron pair. But BF3 to Bi3, based on back bond concept, vacant orbital character increases, electron accepting nature increases. That is nothing but Lewis acidic character from BF3 to Bi3 increases. So the correct answer is what? Bi3. And next question, which of the following is the hardest known substance? Among the given options, graphite, carborundum, diamond, coke. Which of the following is the hardest known substance? In chemistry, hardest known substance is what? Diamond. Everyone well noted answer. Third question. Carbon forms large number of compounds because of it has. This is one unique property. Carbon forms millions of compounds. Carbon always exhibit tetravalency, and whatever compounds formed by carbon are covalent compounds. So here for the question, carbon forms a large number of compounds because of what? First option, variable valency. Second option, low electron affinity. Third option, high ionization energy. Fourth option, property of catenation. So correct answer is what? Property of catenation. In total chemistry, highest catenation character element is carbon. And another important point, to exhibit catenation, minimum required valency is 2. Elements which exhibit only valency 1, they never exhibit catenation behavior. So in overall chemistry, highest catenation character element is what? Carbon. Then regarding stability of carbon halide, which of the following is the least stable one? Among the carbon halide, CF4, CF4, CCl4, CBr4, CI4, CF2 to C high, the polarity decreases, attractions decreases, and stability also gradually decreases. So the least stable one is what? The least stable one is CI4. And which of the following oxide is neutral? Which of the following oxide is neutral? Among the given option, carbon monoxide, SNO2, tin dioxide, ZNO, and SiO2. And studied in carbon oxides, carbon forms two oxides. They are carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. Among the carbon, and also carbon forms suboxide also, but among the carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide is neutral in nature, carbon dioxide is acidic in nature. Next one, concentrated nitric acid stored in containers made up of. Here the answer is what? Concentrated nitric acid is passive with aluminum. Passivity, render, unreactivity. So that is why concentrated nitric acid always stored in aluminum container. Question number 7. Which of the following is a combustion reaction? For the combustion required one is oxygen. C plus O2 gives rise to CO2. This is a combustion reaction. CH4 combustion giving CO2 and H2O. This is also combustion reaction. Magnesium burns in oxygen forming magnesium oxide, also combustion reaction. So the correct answer is all. And question number 8. How many oxygen atoms are shared with silicon in SiO2? Remember the structure of silicon. Remember the structure of silica. SiO2 also called silica. If you are able to write every silicon between write one oxygen, you will get silica structure. Every silicon between write one oxygen, you will get silica structure, and you will be finding how many oxygens linked with silicon. So now you can check every silicon linked with how many oxygens? 4 oxygens. Every silicon linked with how many oxygens? 4 oxygens. Which of the following is amphoteric oxide? Remember the well noted example, aluminium oxide Al2O3, amphoteric nature, and ZnO also amphoteric nature. Here correct answer is what? Third one. Both the first and second are what? Amphoteric oxide. Question number 10. Today 10th question. Which of the following oxidation states are most characteristic for lead and tin? Carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead are fourth group elements. Fourth group element general configuration is NS2, NP2. Fourth group element generally exhibiting oxidation number +2 to +4, +2 and +4. From top to bottom, +2 character increases, +4 character decreases. The last element, lead, stable oxygen state is +2, unstable oxygen state is +4. Reason is inert fair effect. So lead stable oxygen number is what? +2. From top to bottom, from in fourth group element, +2 character gradually increases, means +2 stability increases. So see the question, which of the following oxidation state are the most characteristic of for lead? Lead most stable oxygen state is +2, and tin oxidation number is +4. So the correct answer is third one. Okay, thank you.